Hello, and welcome to our channel. For today's video, we'll be making POG Juice. What is POG Juice? It's passion fruit, orange, and guava juice. This recipe is inspired by the Disney Parks blog, but we'll be adding our own adult twist. What you'll need to start is 2 cups of passion fruit juice. We're using a juice blend. Don't forget to shake. Pour that into a container that can hold at least 6 cups. Then you'll need 2 cups of orange juice. Followed by 2 cups of guava juice. And don't forget to stir. Now, for an adult twist, fill a glass of your choice about halfway with champagne. Then top it off with the POG juice. It's a refreshing, tart mix of juices that works really well with the champagne, and it's great on its own. Have you tried POG Juice before? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos from us, be sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.